Hello and welcome to the Business Spreadsheet Hacks video course. Congratulations on grabbing this course. And the whole goal of this video course is to help you organize, help you automate, and help you do things in your business a lot faster. Now, before we can actually jump into the hacks, we need to start with the basics. Now, in this particular video, what I want to do is just to give you a quick overview of what's inside the video so you know exactly what to expect. And once you understand what to expect, then actually when it comes to implementation, it's actually going to be a lot faster. So this is automating your business with these Excel spreadsheet shortcuts. So all the videos come with live exercises and a workbook. So it's going to be called Business Spreadsheet Hacks Workbook. And it should come along with this video course. If it does not, then you will need to contact the person that sold you this. So anyways, if you click on sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6, sheet 7, and so forth. And this stuff is really good when it comes to, sorting, finding duplicates, deleting duplicates, combining names, and other various tactics. And these can be used in many different places, such as cleaning your email lists and cleaning parts of your business and organizing them and just making things easier for you. So I am going to go along with this workbook as we go along with this course. So I'm going to switch between this presentation view here and the Excel spreadsheet as I go throughout this video course. So it's going to be called, like I said, Business Spreadsheet Hacks Workbook.xlsx. So you're going to have Microsoft Excel to use this. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right in, and I'm going to go over the videos overview. And this is going to be video number 1, obviously, the introduction. Video number 2, we're going to talk about some Excel 101. So before we jump right in, I really want to make sure that we go over this. So if you are an Excel expert already, then you can obviously skip over this. But if you feel like you may or may not be there yet, then I would highly recommend that you watch this video just to make sure that we are on the same page as far as discussing certain functions and features. And video number 3 is going to be customizing the worksheet. So that's why you're going to need to have the workbook in hand, because we will actually be utilizing them. Video number 4, we're going to talk about how to clean up or sort your data. Video number 5, we're going to talk about adding fully automated customized formatting. And that's going to be part number 1. There's going to be part number 2 in video number 6. And video number 7, and we're going to talk about extracting the information. There are many times in your business where you're going to need to do these things. And this is going to be the fast route. So this is going to be part number 1 of the fast route. Part number 2 is going to be video number 8. And part number 3 is going to be video number 9. And video number 10, we're going to talk about 15 quick Excel functions that you wish you've always known. So, applicable versions. Obviously, all Microsoft Excel versions will work with this video course. Now, if you're using something other than Microsoft Excel, I cannot guarantee that it will work, such as OpenOffice, for example. You have to have Microsoft Excel. Now, although the navigation menus where to find commands may vary depending on the version or year that you are using for Microsoft Excel versions, most of it is pretty similar. Here are the expectations. The expectations is you don't have to be an expert or a technical savvy person to follow this video course. If you can follow me step by step, and as I am going through the process, you are actually following with me, that will actually stick in your mind. If you want to watch through the whole video course before you do it, that's fine, but just keep in mind that it's just easier if you follow step by step along the way. You retain memory better that way. Now, even if you have absolutely no idea what Excel is, you would be able to create your own Excel spreadsheet report tailored to your own needs. So that's really the goal by the end of this video course, is that I want you to really be able to take what we've taught you, not only to duplicate it, but to apply it in different ways in your business. So that's why following step by step is definitely crucial to retain that memory and to be sure that this is something that you can apply in different cases. Now, if you already know up to the basics, like I said, you can skip videos 1 and 2 and move up to video number 3. But I highly recommend that you just watch video number 2, reset your memory so that you can make sure that we are in the same page. Because if you do skip some videos, you may feel like, wait a minute, this is different than what I know. So that's why I would recommend that you follow step by step, first and foremost. Now, let's talk about tutorial approach. We won't really go through the lessons as the textbooks and manuals do. We want to make sure that this is kind of applicable. So definitely recommend that you follow along, because it's really hard to retain the knowledge by simply going through, descriptions of the functions. We want to make sure that this is applicable. So what we see, what we do on the screen is going to be applicable to what you're actually going to be doing in real life. So we're going to reverse engineer sample reports and trackers that are useful for businesses in whatever niche that you are in. Then I'll show you step by step how the reports and trackers were created with done for you before and after snapshots, so you know exactly what was done. So with that said, let's move on to video number 2, and we'll talk about Excel 101.